If you're looking for a large 4-bedroom, 4-bath home in Fernewood subdivision, the heart of Lafayette, Louisiana, keep watching this video. The heart of this home is this gorgeous kitchen with custom cabinetry, stainless steel appliances, and ample storage space. My favorite room of the house is this beautiful sunroom. It's perfect for gathering with friends and family. One thing I absolutely love about this home is the historic charm. You'll find long leaf pine flooring throughout and brick pavers in the kitchen.